Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming levels and signal path so you hear true EQ changes. First, set each deck's gain so meters peak near 0 dB but never clip. This gives headroom. Once done, monitor with headphones and use Q to isolate the channel you'll EQ. Make sure the channel EQ knobs are centered, flat, so you're reacting to the music, not previous adjustments. From here, your first actionable move is gentle narrowing or shelving, not extreme boosts that introduce distortion or mask other elements. You now sculpt frequencies to create space and energy. Start by identifying bands: low end for kick and bass, low mids for body, mids for vocal clarity. Once identified, cut problematic resonances by reducing a few dB with a narrow Q, sweeping until the issue drops out. This is safer than boosting. Then, widen Q and apply small boosts to taste for presence. Make sure to listen in context. A slash be the track with the mix, so you preserve groove and compatibility with. You finish by applying EQ moves that serve the transition and the room. For a clean handoff, reduce low frequencies on the outgoing track or engage a high-pass filter on the incoming deck, then reintroduce bass gradually. Once the mix is stable, return EQ to neutral or automate subtle moves to match energy. If things go wrong, troubleshoot quickly. If the mix sounds thin, confirm gains and that no high pass is stuck. If it's muddy, cut around 200 to 500 Hz and listen again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.